Entrepreneurship is increasingly an alternative option for young people in Hong Kong as the city improves its startup ecosystem to boost entrepreneurship and innovation. According to Invest Hong Kong, the city's investment promotional agency, the number of startups in Hong Kong and the number of staff they employed reached a record high in 2022. In 2019, Kevin Tang quit his high-paying executive tech job in London and came back to Hong Kong. 2 years later, Tang launched Pons.ai, an artificial intelligence-powered art tech marketing platform. Now his company is tapping into the giant global e-commerce market by offering merchants AI-generated digital art, images, short videos, and social media captions to better market themselves.
我一直都想就打拼自己的事业，然后就结合了我自己背景，都喜欢的东西，就是说科学创新商业，还有这个创意力，就创作了一个公司为社会提供价值。
Nicole Lin with the Hong Kong InnoX Academy, a non-profit institution with a focus on educating entrepreneurs, said that Hong Kong has its own competitive edge in developing the science and technology sector.
我们发现香港基因独角兽已经有18家，那通过这些企业的数据呢，我们发现他们背后有一个共同的一个成长的一个路径，他们都是香港成长或孵化，那同时用好湾区的资源，然后再走向全球的这样的一个市场。
Tang is optimistic about the prospects of Hong Kong as an international innovation and technology hub.
我觉得每一个阶层的人都需要对香港创业者有一个信心，就是香港创业者是可以做到全世界的生意，做到全世界最强的公司。